Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagula and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we usually do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life, and Dr. Vijay Dahifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Dahifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dahifale has recently started a new brand clinic in South Mumbai, and that too specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely take his consultation in Kulaba Center. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction, and you have received lot of questions, sir, on your WhatsApp, even on your email IDs, and sir, even we have received lot of questions on the videos that we put out on various social media platforms. And sir, people want to know scientific information about sexual dysfunction, and specifically with public demand, you have selected this specific topic called scientific benefits of kissing.
Yes, correct.
So sir, my first question to you is, how this kissing is helpful for body immunity, basically.
Yes, correct. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking different topics. What are the use of the or benefits of the sexual activity? What are the benefits of kissing? So such type of different topic we are discussing scientifically to get the knowledge. Now you are coming towards the benefits or advantages of kissing. But before kissing, I want to give one disclaimer. We have to do it with our own or known partner. Time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting is very important. So, immunity. Now, what is the relation between immunity and this kissing? Whenever the one person is going for either smooching, deep kissing or wet kissing, thousands of bacteria are entered in opposite mouth. If the immunity is on lower side, definitely that person get infection. But if you are a strong man, okay, see there are advantage and disadvantage, both I am telling here. If that man is strong, his immunity is strong, so what happens? To fight this new bacteria from opposite partner, they start developing the antibodies, IgG, IgA, IgM. This means indirectly by kissing, immunity of both the partners are increasing, and by increasing immunity, definitely they are resisting different type of communicable diseases or respiratory diseases or any allergic conditions. So this is one of the biggest advantage of kissing to increase your immunity of the body.
Definitely, sir. My next question is, how kissing is related to determine the compatibility of partners?
Correct.
Yes.
It is like a confirmatory test. Means if you want to test how is your partner, whether that partner is fit or not, or that partner can maintain the all things, all infections or any immunity is there or not. Same talk I will continue. Suppose by one or two kissings, that partner started feeling some bad odor, that partner start feeling some itching in the mouth or getting some type of infection. What this means that partner is not that much compatible, that partner is not that much fit. So for this level, they have to go to the specialist, sexologist, urologist, andrologist. They are supposed to take the treatment, increase their immunity. So indirectly, I will tell you whether she or he, male or female, this is one of the compatibility tests, how they will bear with each other, how they will maintain with each other, or how they can maintain their immunity also to protect their personal life and they can enjoy later on their married life.
Definitely. Sir, we have first caller on the show.
Sure.
We have Kaushik from Delhi.
Yeah.
Kaushik, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Sir, whether any side effects or infection occurs due to kissing?
Correct.
Okay. Yes,
Same talk I will continue.
Yes.
I am telling how many bacteria are there in the mouth? More than 10, 20,000 bacteria are there. If suppose there are any cuts on the lips. So many people ask me whether I will get HIV or AIDS by kissing. Yes, it is possible when you are having any stomatitis or infection in the mouth, bleeding gums, any cracks in the mouth. In such a cases, don't go for any type of wet kissing. We are going to see different types later on. What is wet kissing? It is just putting in a tongue in the mouth and the saliva of opposite person is entered in that. Syphilis, some other types of gonorrheal diseases, other type of this infectious diseases, and especially even HIV also is spread through the blood. So only one thing I will tell you, you must know your partner. Partners must be known. That is the reason we give the disclaimer. So if you take a proper precaution, if you maintain your oral hygiene, your dental hygiene, definitely you can reduce such type of infection. Otherwise, you have to face this problem. But for that, you have to meet sexologists, urologists and andrologists and clear it by scientific way, by medical way.
Definitely. Sir, relationship, the relationship satisfaction is
Yes,
very important.
yes,
So how
surely.
kissing improves the relationship satisfaction?
Definitely. Now here I will come on foreplay. Why foreplay is important? Because immediately the both partners are coming together and starting their act. There is no meaning in this. Pheromones. Pheromones means there is a body smell. There is again, see, whenever you see whether any child or any person, they want to express themselves. How they will express? When they go nearby, just first they kiss it. So by kissing, what happens? This type of neurotransmitters are increased. Due to increase of neurotransmitters, the mood is elevated, and by this way, the bonding, attachment, and definitely this dopamine type of hormones are also released. When the lips are rubbed or lips are locked in between each other, the stress is also going down, and they feel the attraction. They feel it 2 to 3 times if they are going to take the kisses. Then they will develop interest also, and they will mix with each other, and they will keep their married life healthy also.
Definitely. Sir, now very important
Yeah.
question. What is effect of kissing on weight reduction?
Correct. Now you might be feeling there is no exercise, no running, nothing else, and how it will go down? Due to kissing, the metabolic activity. What is metabolism? It's a big question. In short, I will tell you. What happens due to increase in hormones, increase in neurotransmitters, the metabolism increase means breakdown of this fat. And when you fat is broken down, definitely you are going to reduce the weight. How much? You can say if suppose in 1 day or 1 hour, half pound, 1 pound means half kg. You can reduce that due to increase in metabolism, and that metabolism reduces the fat, dissolve the fat, and directly not only weight, body shaping, contouring. So keep on kissing in your given frame with known and own partner, and maintain your body shape and maintain your weight also.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller all the way from Kanyakumari. We
Sure.
have Shabana from
Yeah,
Kanyakumari.
definitely.
Shabana, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi sir.
Hello.
How kissing is helpful to burn calories and how many calories are burned?
Excellent.
Okay.
Miss, I was expecting this question.
sir.
Miss, you are reducing the weight, you are burning the fat, Miss, you are burning the calories. In 1 minute, 2 calories are burned. So if you go for total 4 to 5 kissings, in 1 day it will go more than 100 calories, even if it is less or more. Because when you are in static position, again I have told you, it increases the metabolism, reduces the fat and burns the calories also. So only one thing I will tell you friends, by doing this kissing in a hygienic manner with a known and own partner 3 to 4 times a day, definitely it burns the calories, and you can say like a halfway walk. For if suppose you want to walk for the 1 hour, it will burn near about 150 to 200 calories, but at least it is doing some work. But along with that, this is with the mood elevation, attachment and attraction. So it is having its own additional benefits with burning of calories. So it's a very important exercise, kissing with known partner to reduce the calories, burn the calories.
Okay. So now let's come on the topic of
Yeah.
face shaping.
Sure.
How kissing is helpful in face shaping?
Yes. Now you can observe in movies or somewhere, it's like a smooching. See, if you want to make a smooch, or if you want to take a deep kiss, all face muscles, there are more than 30 face muscles on the face. You have to do the activity, do that movement. because otherwise also you cannot do that movements. So in that condition, the sucking mechanism, pulling the tongue mechanism, and oral perioral muscles, they all are very nicely exercised. So if you want to maintain your this chin line, then neck line, then this malar line, these all lines are maintained, and you look very attractive and very impressive and good faces. So keep on kissing with known partner in your margin and keep your face attractive.
Definitely. Sir, one last question. How kissing is helpful in controlling acne and body face lifting?
Yes, so it's very interesting questions you are taking. Now facelifting too we have seen by due to that exercise, smooching and this deep kiss you can maintain it, but what about acne? See how it is related? See, stress is the one of the main cause of developing acne on your face, and due to this kissing, if you do that kissing at least for 1 minute, totally your head become calm, your body become calm, hormones are released, dopamine is released, neurotransmitters are released, and due to less stress and due to broken this chain of your thinking and all, then acne also start reducing because the hormonal changes, the supply is increased to the face. Then infection is controlled. The surrounding area or any type of infection which is there which causes the acne, they are also controlled. So friends, only one thing I'll tell you, there are so many benefits of kissing, but you must know what is healthy kissing, what is normal kissing. You can refer our SGM books also and enjoy your happy life, married life.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
sharing all this valuable information,
Yeah.
sir. But due to time constraint, we have to stop here. In this particular episode,
Yeah.
definitely we'll meet
We'll
in
back
one more
again.
episode.
Yeah.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Daifale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.